BBHD buddies, this is Fetters Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. Well, after raining non-stop for 2 days, it finally quit. It's looking pretty nice around here. Hopefully it dries out, gets warm today. It's a little chilly, but it'll be all right. But the water is just walking down the hill here. We're definitely got some springs on the farm. We're in a new milking parlor. Oreo's getting milked. We gotta clean it up a little bit in here, but it ain't too bad. This is gonna be our milk room and feed room. So everybody's being a little fuddy-duddy this morning. But so we'll have a stall right over here. That's where the little pigs are for now. This will be like a walk-through stall. And then you got Beefer over here on this side. Ain't buddy boy, you hungry? Hold on, we'll feed you just shortly, buddy. Patience. The hardest thing for us since we moved is figuring out our new property. It's has a little bit of marsh in it, and there's definitely a spring head here. And the pasture that I thought would be usable is definitely muddy, and I'm not sure. The ducks are in it now, but I'm not sure what to do. I feel like I should move them, but they seem to be having the times of their lives, so I don't know. I feel like I got to get them stretched out and out on higher ground a little bit, but we'll see. Hey guys, you having the time of your lives? It's definitely running right through your house. I guess we learned the lessons. We'll have to figure it out, because this is definitely no good. It's definitely water. I don't think it's bad, but not for the geese and the ducks, but it's definitely not the best. Their house isn't a swimming pool, but it's not dry neither. Hell, I didn't get stuck. Felt like I was gonna get swamped up to my knees, but we made it. I found 7 eggs from yesterday. So last year's ducks are producing. This year's ducks, about another 3 weeks, we should start seeing eggs from them. So that's something to look forward to. But we're gonna have to figure out where to put them. I mean, they seem to be in heaven, but you're a big jumper, buddy. That's why you got to be chained up, because you jumped the fence, you big knucklehead. Big buddy Badoo. What do you want to do today, buddy? You want to go get breakfast from McDonald's? You like the McDonald's, ain't buddy? Our one goat, Oreo, is acting a little funny. She seems to be a little lethargic, and she has runny diarrhea. So Sarah texted our vet, and the vet told her what to look for, and I haven't checked for a minute for parasite load. So we're gonna check our eyes and see what that tells us. Maybe we're gonna deworm them today. Give them the old ivermectin. Oreo, let me in, girlfriend. Can I check your eyes? Yeah. Nice and pink and red. What's the matter, girlfriend? You just got an upset stomach, maybe? Smell the fresh grass? We'll go run and get you some Pepno. Her eyes are nice and pink and red. So she don't have a real heavy, I don't know, I wouldn't think. But I'm no expert either. We haven't had goats for our whole lives, so our vet told us to start with Pepno, Bismol, baking soda, and deworm them. she's not really showing that she has a heavy worm load, but I think we're gonna go ahead and do it anyhow. It won't hurt them, I don't think, and we'll go from there, see if we can make her feel better. She just seems a little uncomfortable or something. So we've been super busy lately, and my maintenance on my vehicles has been lacking. So we're gonna catch up, change oil. I gotta put tires on Sarah's van. We're just gonna put old ones on for now. The cords are showing. I gotta make sure all the tire pressures are right and grease everything and just get it done. So we're gonna work in the new shop. The new shop's not very big, but it's a roof. I'll be able to fit all my stuff. The truck will barely fit. The van barely fits, but they fit. That's all that matters. Buddy, what are you doing, buddy? I don't know how in the world anybody's supposed to get any work done with a big fluffy like this guy, my best buddy. Oh my goodness, buddy. Dude, there's not enough room under here. You gotta go. You gotta get out. Buddy. My best buddy, Baloo. There we go. The truck got a good oil change. All the synthetic stuffs and all the extra additives and all the good libations make it run forever, I hope. Thing only has 335,000 miles on it, and I beat the crap out of it every day I get. So we'll see how long this Cummins lasts. I'm gonna fall. It's so high. See, it's Sarah gave Oreo a ivermectin and penicillin shot. That was a few hours ago. So I'm down here servicing trucks in the shop. So we're gonna go check on them, see how they're doing. Hopefully she's feeling a little better. I think she gave her some pet known to who. That should help her stomach a little bit, maybe. I don't know. We threw the kitchen sink at her, did what the vet told us to do. See what happens. Hopefully she'll pull through. I figure she will.
You ready?
A little piranha. Piranha, no. She can't find it. It's out there, Mama. You got it. There, she got it. Come on, Maya. Playing fetch with asparagus. How you guys doing? You feeling better, Oreo? You look a little better. Or at least standing up. So I have to keep an eye on her. Hey, girlfriend. The goat milk that we get from our goat girls, we're going to be dumping it anyhow. We're going to still milk them out every day, but with the ivermectin and Oreo being on antibiotics, we're not gonna use it for anything, just because it's the only reason we gave her antibiotics in the first place is because we were pretty worried about her. So I'd rather give an animal antibiotics and not have them die because of something than be stubborn and not use antibiotics. So we'll see how she gets the next couple days, and in another 2 weeks we'll start keeping the milk again. But for now, we'll just milk them and have fun and enjoy our time with them, so we can at least still do that. I'm gonna go finish servicing Sarah's van. That's pulled in the shop now. It needs oil changed and new front tires put on. So I have an extra set for now. I'm gonna have to order brand new ones, but we'll make do. See you next time. See you, love you, bye. Glug, 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 glug. Oh, not so fast, not so fast. Careful. Go to the last drop.